This 2025 Airstream International 30RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 31 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream International 30RB is 6,904 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.